Hello and welcome to the channel Make Money Online. In this video we'll learn all the steps about how to make money on YouTube. This is precisely how every YouTuber started, regardless of how big their channel has grown into. So let's start. 1. First, sign up for a Gmail account. 2. Sign in for YouTube with your Gmail ID. 3. Click on the top right icon and go to My Channel. 4. Choose the name of your channel. It's important to choose the name of your channel carefully or according to the theme of your upcoming videos and the channel contents, as you've not uploaded any videos, so the channel will be empty at the moment. 5. Record or create a video and upload it. Before creating or recording a video, evaluate or brainstorm yourself what you're good at, or what your target audience or viewers will be. If the contents of the video are unique, interesting or captivating, it's very important to create or record videos without violating YouTube and Google's copyright infringement policy. Videos, pictures and third-party contents piracy is strictly prohibited. 6. Enable monetization of your videos. YouTube allows monetization only after reaching at 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. 7. Sign up for an AdSense account. To sign up for an AdSense account through YouTube, follow these steps. A. Make sure your YouTube account is enabled for monetization. B. Submit your application to create a new AdSense account to link with your YouTube channel. 8. Share and promote your video to all the online platforms, that is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google+, etc. 9. Connect to the audience with your videos and its contents. 10. For the growth of your channel, be consistent in uploading videos, that is 2 to 3 videos per week or more. Upon reaching this threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, your channel will automatically be reviewed to make sure it complies with the YouTube Partner Program terms and community guidelines. Once your application has been approved, you'll see a host account label on the home page of your AdSense account. Google will send you a payment the month after your AdSense balance exceeds $100. Good luck and happy making money on YouTube.